Hi guys, I'm coming to you today with this video, and I'm getting ready to crochet braid my daughter's hair. And this is my braid pattern. This is what it looks like. You know, it's pretty much straight back, but I made one braid coming across, because you know how you have that everlasting part coming all the way. I just don't like that. So what I did is just braid one braid across like that. So doing that, I cut off that long part coming to the back. So this is the hair that I'm using. It's let's see what it is. Expression Twisted Up, that's the name of it. I'm using 5 packs. So my hair is all braided. So this is the oil I'm using, and this is, let's see, that's it if you want to get it. Shows in the background. Cut. Hi guys, sorry for the interruption. That was actually coming from the TV. We were watching the Animal Channel and forgot to turn off the TV. So without further ado, let's get into the install. So guys, like I said, this is my braid pattern, and what I did, I just pretty much just bring it up like this and use my bead string, and this is what it looks like. So you can get this guy at this beauty store. It's just a simple little plastic thing. I call it the bead string. I don't know what you call it, but this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from here. Let's start from here. So what I do is I just insert it under my hair like this. Then this is the hair I'm using. So what I'm going to do now is just pull it between this area, the open area here. You pull it through, detach it, and then you just take your hair like this, push it between the little pre-loop, and just pull it through. And there you go. So that's my first one. Then I'm gonna show you another one. Again, push your stringer under the hair like this. You see this little hole here in the stringer? Get your hair, put it right between the hole like this. Then you're gonna pull it through, and then you just open the pre-loop, put your hair through like this. Pull it through all the way to the end till you can secure it here. And that's it, guys. That's your second one. And then you're gonna make another one up here. Let's go here. Pull it through. Put your hair right through. Pull your stringer out like that. Remove it. Open your loop. This one is kind of close. Just open your loop like this. Pull your hair like this, push it through the little hole right here, the pre-loop hole, and pull your hair through. See, as easy as that. There you go. That's your third one. Get your hook, not your hook, your stringer. Go over here. Same procedure. Get your hair, push it through your stringer hole, pull it through, open your hair, the hole, the pre-loop hole, like this. Come on, you here. Then, like before, you're gonna just get your hair at the end, and you put it through the hole like this. Oh, sorry about that. This little hole is kind of stubborn. All right, so we're gonna put it right through here. Pull it through. There you go. As easy as that. Pause it. So guys, this is how it is. So you're gonna continue doing that until your hair. Oh, this one is a little messy. Let's take this one out. Sorry about that. This one is a little messy. Don't like that. All right, so let's try another one. So let's try one right over here. So like I said, push your stringer in, get your hair, put it through your stringer, pull it through. There you go. And now this one is messed up. Okay, let's try this again. So you push it through like this, just like you would be using a latch hook. And like I said, it's always difficult for me with the latch hook, so I saw someone on YouTube doing this method, and that's it, guys. Open your hole, your pre-loop hole, and you just simply push your hair through this hole, and to the other side, and just pull it through. That's it, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how you do it. So I'm gonna see you for the finished look. Pause it. Pause. So yeah, guys, so we are back. So this is how it looks so far. See? So this is it. My daughter is shy. She don't want to be on camera. So this is it, guys, with just this little bead stringer. Like I said, those of you that are struggling with latch hook like myself, this is your answer. Simple little bead stringer. I don't know what you call it. So guys, I only have one up here, and I'm gonna show you one more time. So this is your stringer. Push it underneath the braided hair, and this is the hole. Look at it. Take your hair, insert it in the hole, pull it through, get your hole, the pre-loop hole that comes with the braid. You push it in like this into the hole and pull it through, just like that. There you go. One more time, just want it to be clear. So this stringer, push it under your hair, comes out on the other side. Take your hair like this, push it through here, bring it through, and look for your hole once more. Put the hair through your pre-loop. Just push it through the hole like this. Catch the other end, pull it through. I'm ready to start something. So guys, here we are, finished product. Tell me what you think. Drop a comment. All done with the bead stringer, like I said. So you don't really need to use the latch hook, because like I said, for me it was kind of challenging, so I just opt to using the bead string, little plastic thing that you can buy in the beauty store. And actually, like I said, I saw this girl, she was demonstrating on YouTube, and I kind of just follow her lead, and that's what, ever since I've been crochet braiding for a while, and that's what I used. Just that little plastic thing. So those of you that are struggling with the latch hook, this is your next option. All right, bye for now. Thanks for listening. I see you in my next one. Bye-bye.